Welcome to the instructions video for the Throughput Little's Law interactive calculator. This tool helps you understand and optimize the relationship between work in progress, cycle time, and throughput rate in any production or service system using the fundamental principle known as Little's Law. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter values for any two of the three key variables. Start by entering your work in progress or WIP value, which represents the average number of items in your system at any time. Next, input your average cycle time, which is how long each item typically spends in the system. The calculator will then compute your throughput rate. For example, enter 50 for WIP and 10 hours for cycle time. The result shows a throughput of 5 units per hour. You can also solve for any variable by entering the other two. This helps you answer questions like how much WIP you can handle at a given throughput, or what cycle time you need to achieve a target production rate. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out to find more tools for your engineering and optimization needs.